Hi, I'm Kaushik. CI/CD failures usually mean context switching and lost time. Today I'm showing you CodeAutopsy, an AI agent that fixes your builds automatically. Here's our setup for the demo. On the left, our target repository on GitHub where the code lives. On the right, the CodeAutopsy agent running in my terminal, listening for crashes. In the background, my Discord server where the agent will notify us when it finishes the job. Let's simulate a disaster. I'm updating a backend data processor, but I've accidentally introduced a syntax error, missing parenthesis. I'll commit and push this to main. Now, switching to GitHub Actions, the build runs node src/processor.js and obviously it crashes. Normally, I'd have to start debugging now. But let's switch over to the agent's brain. You can see it just woke up. It detected the webhook, identified src/processor.js as the culprit, and is now using Gemini Vision to fetch and read the file content. And there it is, jumping to Discord, we just got a ping. The agent has diagnosed the syntax error and deployed a fix. Let's click through to the pull request. Look at that, the checks are passing because the code is valid. The agent correctly added the missing syntax. I'll merge it and we are good to go. This is just the beginning. Our future roadmap includes predictive analysis to catch bugs before you push and an enterprise dashboard for tracking developer ROI. That is CodeAutopsy, from crash to fix in under 60 seconds. Thank you.